Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can stream football matches on your PC. So the first step is go to your browser and search for BlueStacks. So these are the results. The next thing is you're going to download BlueStacks for your PC. If you're using a PC, if you're using a laptop, you'll do the same. So once you will come here and click the download button. Since I have downloaded mine, I will not be downloading it again. So first step is to download BlueStacks. Once you have downloaded BlueStacks, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to install it. And when you install it, it will look like this. Yeah, it will look like this. So once you have installed BlueStacks, you're going to go to the browser. And you're going to search for CrickFi. CrickFi TV. Download. So here it is. The next thing is to download it. You're going to click on here and look for the download option, which will be around here. Yeah, this one. So you're going to download the ClickFi app. This app will allow you to watch football matches live and in HD. So once you have downloaded it, it will come here to your dashboard for your BlueStacks app. The next thing is to open the app, and once you open the app, you're going to see the games that are being offered. Sorry. Yeah, so you're going to see the games that are live. As you can see, the games are shown here according to the time that they are occurring. So at the moment of recording this video, there are no live games, but you're going to see the games that are going to be shown. So they show all, in case of football, they show all matches. So the next thing is just to click on the link, and it's going to show you the game. As you can see. Yeah, so that's how you're going to watch football matches on your PC. It's quite simple.